How to fix low memory on Roblox mobile. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can easily fix the low memory on your Roblox mobile. So first thing first, make sure you have successfully downloaded your Roblox application on your mobile device. So to fix your memory issue, which might be due to overload on your application, what you can do is simply long press on your application and click on the I button over here. And from over here, what you can do is simply head over to your storage option and make sure you have enough storage. If it's filled with complete package like cache memory and your data is too much, so what you need to do is simply click on clear cache and clear your data from over here. You may have to log into your account once you do that, but it's a pretty few seconds step. And once you do that, your Roblox account application should work just like before without crashing and without showing low memory. So hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.